How to download songs on Spotify without premium. So if you want to download your songs on Spotify without the premium, then let's see if it's possible or not. First, you need to open up your Spotify application. Once you open up your Spotify, now without having a premium, you will not be able to download, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with your library. Under your library, you need to go with your playlist. So tap on playlist, which is on the upper left. And if you've already created a playlist, then it's okay. But if you've not created, you can simply go with the top right, which has that plus icon, and then create a new playlist. Once you've created, you can add songs to that playlist. So in my case, I'll have a playlist, which is right here. Now, once you open up your playlist, here on the left side of your playlist, you will have a download arrow, right? Download button, which is right here. So you just need to simply tap on the download and you'll be able to download the songs that you have in your playlist. But if this doesn't work for you, then there's another way. You can simply open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and you can search for free Spotify Premium and then tap on Get Started on the Premium, or just simply go with the bottom, and here you will have get 4 months of Spotify Premium for free. Tap on it. Many regions or many countries have the free versions for 2 to 3 months. So you just need to simply tap on Get Started or start a free trial, and then log in to Spotify with your email or your username and password, and you will have the free premium for a certain period of time, and then you'll be able to download the songs. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.